we are back for another yummy immune boosting dressing or dip. What is this, Mama?
It's a dip. It's a tahini dip. It's
So
absolutely
good.
delicious. Okay, so we're going to start with garlic. And garlic is natural antibiotic. You can put as much as you want. It requires 4 minimum, so 4 cloves. But I put a lot more than that because I just love it. So I'm going to start mincing that first. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of tahini, which is a sesame paste. So I'm going to put 1 cup of that. This is raw tahini from Artisana. Always buy just the raw, you don't want cooked.
So sesame seeds are rich in calcium and in protein, and they're very healthy for your bones. It's a great way to get a good source of calcium in your diet. What else did we learn?
And it's also loaded with antioxidants. It's really, really good for you.
And healthy fats.
Yes, and protein. Did you say
Yeah,
protein?
and protein.
Because everybody's concerned about where do we get the protein from? Here we go.
That's a big misperception, right?
It is.
So
definitely.
It's actually more of an issue to get too much protein than too little, because protein, as you remember from maybe high school, is an amino acid, so it's acidic. In the body, it breaks down as acid-forming minerals. And so if you have too much protein in your diet, what happens is your body will then try and pull calcium, which is an alkaline mineral. It'll pull that from your bones and then neutralizes, buffers that acidity in your blood, makes your blood neutral, and then flushes out the calcium through your kidneys, out your urine. But that's why a lot of people end up with kidney stones. It's a buildup of their own bone, and long term you end up with osteoporosis.
Exactly.
And right.
Absolutely.
And we learned a way to know if you're acidic is if you have sunken dark circles under your eyes is one way to know that your diet is too acidic. Right? What else?
Absolutely.
Bad breath was one?
Bad breath, stinky gas, stinky bowel movement, BO, if you have a BO. So anytime your body creates odor, that means you're very acidic, you're not alkaline. When the body is fully alkaline, there is no smells coming out of you at all.
It's so true. Honestly, it's weird. You don't have BO and you go to the bathroom, there's no smelly stuff. It's fascinating.
It's amazing. Yes.
Yeah, it really changes everything.
Yes. So then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt.
That's half.
Sorry, 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt.
Yeah.
Which is loaded with minerals.
Yeah, 84
With
trace
that.
minerals.
And then I'm going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. Again, loaded with antioxidants.
Yeah. So cayenne will dilate your blood vessels. So if you have blood pressure problems or suffer from heart conditions, get cayenne in your system.
Yeah, get it on daily basis. You really should have a teaspoon a day of cayenne. You don't have to have it all in one shot. You can sprinkle it on salad, put it in your juice, and your water. As long as you get 1 teaspoon a day, your blood would be flowing really nicely. It would push away all toxicity and keep you staying healthy,
Yeah.
So that's wonderful.
Yeah.
And then we have a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, which is again loaded with antioxidant. And to that I'm going to add, it's 3 lemon juice. Okay, so it's 3 large lemon. You juice it. We already juiced it. And you put it right in. It's almost like 3/4 cup of lemon juice.
Wow, it's a lot.
So either 3 lemons or 3/4 cup of lemon juice.
Perfect.
And then I put 1/2 bunch of dill. And dill is again amazing for you.
Yes, dill helps you lower your cholesterol, and it's good for your bones. It has loaded with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. How cool is that? And we know dill to be one of the most alkalinizing thing out there that you could possibly eat. So if you are having high protein meals, saturate them with dill as much as possible, because that will help neutralize, buffer that, so you're not pulling again from the calcium in your bones. Make sense?
And it's also contain your vitamin D. So if you don't like to sit in front of the sun, you know, which I recommend because it's the healthiest thing to do, is to lay in the sun first thing in the morning when the sun is not too hot and get the vitamin D from the sun. But if you're one of those people who's so worried about the sun because you think that you're going to get cancer from the sun, then use the dill that contains vitamin D right there. So to that I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water.
So I like a lot more water. I like it runny. Mommy likes it a little thick, so you get to play with it and see what you like better. I like it kind of like a sauce I can drizzle on my salad. Mommy likes to like spoon it out like it's something really thick and hearty. So whatever your preference is, you just change it based on the amount of water you add. Okay, so the minimum amount is a 1/4 cup.
And here it is. So simple, nothing to it. And if you guys remember when we made the pampadon, which is the Indian little tortillas, the crackers really, you can eat it with this. This is amazing. Taste it, Nicola. Isn't that good?
Oh my God, so yummy.
So delicious. Really, really good.
Wow, so we put this on everything, literally. Sprouts salad with this is incredible. Just using it on your salad, mushing it into your kale.
Amazing.
Mommy massages her kale. Our kale gets good treatment in this house. What else do you put this on?
You can put it on wraps. On,
yeah.
It's really, really amazing.
Oh, and the other thing is you can use different herbs. So
That's right.
the other one, my favorite is with cilantro instead of the dill, but you can also use basil, which is really tasty as well.
Yeah, my favorite is dill or basil. Those are my two favorite. Yeah, but remember you can add to that red bell pepper, so it'll be nice and red. You can add to that olives, Kalamata olives, if you want it to be olivey. You can add so many different things to change the flavor, even spinach.
Oh, that's nice. Makes it a little lighter.
Yes.
Lovely.
Okay, so here it is. Look how beautiful. And that would last you good 10 days in the fridge. You can also freeze it if you don't want to eat it.
No way will it last you 10 days because you'll eat it all.
Yeah, that's true too. Yeah. It's wonderful.
Yeah, this is really, really tasty. It's bursting with flavor. I bring this, if I go to a party, I'll bring some crudité. I just cut up some roasted red peppers, sugar snap peas, fennel, celery, slice up carrots, and then I bring a little cup of this. Every party I've ever gone to is so appreciative that I bought something healthy to snack on instead of chips and cheesy dip, right? So this is really healthy and yummy and nutritious.
Here it is. Keep it in the fridge, please. Or
Yay.
again, freeze it.
Ah, such a treat. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Thank you for watching. Namaste.
Namaste.
Stay safe.